Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Claude with Notion. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do here, of course, is you have to create your Claude account. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Claude and then you have to sign up for an account. Then after that, you'll be able to see here now your homepage and then you will need to log into your Notion account as well. Okay, so by connecting the cloud to your Notion workspace, you can search your notes, um, summarize the documents, create new pages, update databases, and organize your knowledge using AI. So, yeah, Claude can connect directly to your Notion workspace using the official Notion connector instead of copying and pasting your notes into Claude. So Claude can access the pages and databases you've authorized. So this allows it to search, summarize, create, and edit the content directly inside Notion. So here, you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen. So just go to Claude. Okay, and then you just have to go to settings. That's right. And then you'd be able to see here now your general section, your account, your privacy, your billing, your capabilities, and of course your connectors. So right here, connectors have moved to customize. So you just have to tap on this one. That's right. And then you would be able to see here now the different tools that you can connect. Okay, so let's try to search for new connector. So browse connectors. And then you just have this to look for Notion or search for Notion. So we have the search bar at the top, or we can simply tap on this one once you've found the Notion tool. So you just had to tap on the plus icon. Okay, so to complete this section is you have to read this section. So through Notion MCP, Claude would be able to respect your page and database access and permissions, take actions on your behalf based on your access level, search across connected apps, record Notion AI plan, can view the workspaces, users, and their emails. After that, you just have to tap on continue. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. All right, so once you're done, you'd be directed to this section. So Notion MCP helps you plug tools into your Notion workspace, allowing you to create, edit, search, and organize content directly from Claude. So you can get contextual and relevant assistance from Claude while keeping knowledge organized in Notion. So here are the tool permissions. So here is for the read-only tool. So always allow for this one. For Notion Fetch, so you can customize the section if you don't want to allow this one. So you can just select this option. So of course, since we want to connect our Claude to Notion, so we need to access everything. All right. So if it's just that if you have a specific setting that you don't want to be accessed, so you just have to go here. Okay, so once you found this section at the top, which is the disconnect, it means that you have successfully connected Notion with Claude. Okay, so when you go here to the new chat section, you'll be able to see here your notes. So for example, let's try to search for um, assignments. See, for this one, let us try to search for it. Okay, so that's new chat. So this is our chat section. So we can see here our chats, our projects, of course, and then here is the artifact section. All right. So when you go to the new chat section, so instead of manually opening different pages, simply ask Claude something like find my meeting notes from last week, search for my marketing plan, or find my project from Notion. So, since it's connected to your Notion, Claude will be able to work with the pages and databases you've given it permission to access. Okay, so for example, I've typed out right here, find my project from Notion. So here, you have your databases, your pages. So do any of this look like what you're after? If you can tell me the name or subject of your project. So for example, I'm just going to select the math. That's right. And then just have to tap on enter. Okay, so for example, one of the best features is the summarization of Claude. So you can ask Claude to summarize this project or give me the key points from this meeting. So Claude will read the content and generate a clear summary, making long documents much easier to understand. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to type it right here, summarize this project. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. Okay, so since it's a blank page, so let us try to find another one. Let's go back to Notion and let's see if we have a long documents right here. Okay, so see for example the student dashboard. Okay, so if Claude not able to find your other documents, so you can also give its permission, or you can also follow up Claude to look for that. Okay, so can also create new pages. So Claude can also create content inside Notion. For example, you can type out create a meeting notes page for today's team meeting, create a weekly to-do list, or Claude will generate a page and organize it inside your Notion workspace. So basically, this saves you from creating everything manually. And you can also edit pages using simple instructions. For example, you can change this task status to complete or add the section items to my project page. So Claude can update your pages without you manually editing every section. Okay, so yeah, you just have to connect your Notion workspace, search for your notes with AI, summarize the documents, create new pages, update the existing content, and use it to improve your daily productivity. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.